today is Tuesday, April 1st, and today I learned that sometimes you just need a reset. Recently I've just been super unproductive and just not really getting a lot done, and it's been really frustrating because I would rather go through the pain of being productive than the pain of not being productive, right? So like choose your hard kind of thing. But today I kind of just wanted to reset, and tomorrow, because it's April 1st, so it's new month. I've been starting to do like monthly goals in addition to just my 3 main goals for the year, but just like a more extensive list of things that I want to accomplish this month. And that really helped me to just reset and refocus on what I need to be doing. But honestly, like if you need a reset, like if you've been really unproductive, you've been in a rut, you've like been struggling with something, all you need to do is just make a plan, go to bed early, wake up early, and just execute on that plan. And whenever I do that, I just like get so much done. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So yeah, just like sometimes you need to reset, and I think every month is a good time to just reset and realign yourself to make sure you are actually like do a reset. Like wake up early, make a plan for tomorrow, wake up early, and just get it all done. Because a lot of times what you are struggling with probably isn't as bad as you think it will be. And like just spending one day to get a lot of stuff done is really relieves a big burden. Even if you have to continue doing the things that you need to do, it like gives you that peace of mind, right? So yeah, I guess I didn't have like some major insight from today, but today was kind of just bad a day, and I just want to use tomorrow as a reset. So if you had a bad day, or if you're in a rut, if you're struggling with something, use tomorrow to reset. Make a plan. What do you need to do tomorrow? Schedule it out. Try to go to bed early tonight, and then just execute on that plan. Wake up early and just do everything that you need to do. Set goals, right? It's the beginning of the month. Set goals. So like, okay, so make your plan for tomorrow, and then wake up early tomorrow and just execute on it. Make your plan for the upcoming month, right? Let me know what your monthly goals are, what your goals for April are in the comments down below. So like set goals and try to achieve them. Put them somewhere where you look at them every day. You're trying to make progress on them every single day, and just try to complete those monthly goals. And then just like constantly be reevaluating, I guess. Constantly be just making sure that you are not straying from your path, and you just are constantly focused on your goals and constantly focused on what you need to do. And that's honestly what I just need to be doing. Like I don't have a major insight today. I've just been realizing that I need to reset. I need to get my life together, wake up early tomorrow, get a bunch done, and then go from there. So I know this video isn't a major insight, but that's what I learned today. Like I just need to reset. And maybe you need to reset too if you're watching this video. So I would encourage you to just make a plan and execute on it, right? The hard part is starting, but once you start, just build that momentum and keep going and try to continue like that snowball effect. So I don't know, just a small one today, but that's a small thing that I learned today. I'm working on the Discord server. I'm actually feeling pretty good about it right now. So hopefully, like if you guys want to see specific things in this Discord server that I'm building, then definitely let me know. I'm gonna try to release that within the week. So excited for that. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. This is the video that I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.